press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press on to subscribe. Now, yeah, press that bell. That school bell, press on to the get our notification.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your gym team over there. Today, guys, you want to just go for a notebook logo. So here I will looking for this mock-up. Here is where you can get it. I think I've already seen the thumbnail. And if you click the notification before getting here, kindly watch the tutorial to the end for you to know the benefits of this channel. So now, click on your Pixellab. Let's edit your words. So delete this. Change your color background to anything you like. Change it. So now come here and run in Apex. Change the size to YouTube thumbnail. So now enlarge it and type iamalexgraphics. Type your own brand name. Just type anything your name pattern into. So let me make it small letter G this time around because of the fonts we are using. So fonts. This leave a space. We are also using A. So after that, change it to color black. So bring in another text and name it logo design. You can name it logo mockup, logo design. We are still saying the same thing. So like this. You can just give this one bold. You don't need to change the font. Just bold it enough to be readable. Change the color to black also. So now, if you see any font that you still like more than this, you can also use it. Or let's check if you can still see another font that we can use. I'm still finding the font. Maybe you can still see any other fonts you can use. You see, maybe you can still see another font we can use. That's why I'm looking like this. Okay, I think that's the best. Yeah, we already choose the best fonts. We can use E. I think I already choose the best fonts. For me finding font here, I think we're just wasting our time. Let me just select the font I use. So I think now remove the background, make it transparent, then save the work, save as ultra, save to your gallery, then minimize it and go to your Chrome, type photopea.com. So here is it. Then download this mockup file in the description below. Download. Sorry, I can't use this. Near tab. I mistakenly pressed on another mockup, which is not the one I want to use. So now I have to reload the page and find the mockup I want to use. So I'm using this. Okay, now it's loading. So it's already here. So now press your lay and click. Can you see the texture? The layer is here already. That means the layer can't be opened because it's not here. It's supposed to be here, not here. I think you get me. The layer texture, this one, supposed to be here, not here. So now let's check it if the thing will open. Layer smart object. Can you see it's not open? So now you have to click your layer and select logo here. So now let's go back to your layer, smart object, then open. Can you see it opens straight away? Then file open and replace, download, go to your Pixellab and bring in the new work you just done. Pixellab, then bring it in. Let's see the results. It's loading. Okay, it's already here. So now press your lay. Is that you hide it or you delete it? I prefer hiding it than delete. So I already hide it. So now press your file, then save smart objects. We are waiting for the results. So quick. So click here for your mockup to convert. I already pressed it once. So you are waiting for the result also. So I think that one will soon apply a short time, a very short time. So we are waiting for the result. Wow, here's the result. So now can you see? So just press your file, export as PNG. So we're about to done for today. So quick. Then save to your gallery. Let's check out the work comes out perfect. Wow, iamalexgraphics logo design. So here we go. That's all for today. We use something close to 9 to 8 minutes. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share and comment. Please and please subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment for me if you enjoy this tutorial. So goodbye for now. Meet next tutorial with another hot cake.